Magbulgara na tayo kung magkano yung tax na binayaran ko. Pero ito po yung ating binayaran na tax last year. Good morning! Good morning, guys!
My mommy washing the clothes because the washing the clothes with hands, and the washing machine is broken. And then
Yes, it's broken.
because it cannot make out and cannot make on, and then it was ready on because it's broken, and then
And then I'm trying to fix it, or we are trying to fix it. Like the daddy of Arya tried to, oh, it's nice, tried to fix it, but doesn't work. And if I will turn it off, because I do the pumping to take off the water from inside, but doesn't work. So you wash the clothes like in Philippines with your hands like this. You remember it, or you forgot?
I remember.
You remember when we were in Philippines? Like this. So to take off the water, we must...
Mommy, I will show you something.
Okay.
Mommy, you must do like this. Mommy, you must do like this.
Yeah. Very good. Yes. Okay. How did you know that? Your Uma teach you? Your Uma Charity?
No, you.
Mama teach you.
Yeah, after my outer house.
Ah, in Bonn.
Yeah.
That's good that you know. Oh. Whew. It's so heavy.
Magninot.
We are not doing manual. Manual wash na po tayo.
And you want some, Mama?
Yes. Kailangan ko ata ng technician, talagang yung professional na mag-ayos ng aking washing machine, I mean. Sayang kasi sobrang ganda ng brand. It's a Bosch. Sayang kung palitan. Mahal kaya ang Bosch ito. Bosch, Miele, ano pa bang mga mahal na brand.
I already washed my hands.
Okay. It's okay. Okay, thank you for helping. You can go there so you will not get wet, yeah?
No, I need that one. I need this.
Okay.
To help.
Be careful that you not get wet because you're ready.
Yeah. Okay.
Arya is ready because we are going to
Buy my toys.
look. Wow! Why we buy your toys? Since Arya is always asking for baby, and then now the papa of Arya, hindi na ako mag-English kayo, wala na siya. Nakakapagod mag-English. Pasensya na kayo sa aking English, ha? May nagsabi na I'm trying hard na mag-English. Pasensya na kayo, talagang mag-try ako kasi yung anak ko, talagang English tsaka German. So, kailangan ko mag-English para mataintindihan tayong lahat. Kahit balik ko yung English natin.
My wallet. I need my wallet.
Your bottle?
My wallet.
Your wallet? Maybe in my bag. Can you look there? Pero alam nyo, si Arya is
Yummy.
madali siyang matuto.
Yummy.
I don't eat that it's already like melt.
No.
Yeah. So naisip ko,
It's still hard.
yeah?
Uh-huh.
You want to eat it? Did you eat rice already in the fish?
No.
You must eat properly. Did you eat, you want toast
I
bread?
don't want to make my clothes dirty.
Not get dirty. You will get dirty when you eat chocolate.
Yeah.
Come. You listen. At my back. What did you say?
I'm just
So, yeah. So, pero alam nyo, si Arya is madaling matuto. Kaya naisip ko, ayan na. It's working! Ay, salamat. Nag-pump siya. So, ayun na nga. Ayun na nga. Siguro turuan ko si Arya mag-Bisaya.
Mommy, look, my clothes are not dirty. I already eat that.
You eat already? Okay, you can eat that. Turuan ko siguro siya mag-Bisaya kasi medyo may alam na siya ng Spanish. Marunong na siya ng counting ng numbers. numbers ng Spanish. Spanish, 1, 2, 3 yan. Bisaya man yan. So, maybe, Bisaya yung ituturo ko sa kanya. Arya, what you wanna learn? Bisaya or Tagalog? Both. Okay. So, pinapapili ko si Arya kung anong gusto niya. Bisaya or Tagalog. Sabi niya, both. Kaya habang bata pa, turuan ko na siya eh. Kasi okay na yung English niya. Fluent siya sa English. Marunong siya konti ng French. German fluent din siya. So, dalawang language.
Tagalog.
Kami.
And Spanish.
Ooh. Tagalog and Spanish. Come here. You decide. So, Arya, which you wanna know or you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya?
Both.
Both. Wow. So I don't know how to do it. Like, I don't want to mix it. Maybe you will get confused by the way I speak. And you will learn something wrong or you will learn wrong from me. So maybe today is Bisaya Day. You like that or Tagalog Day?
Today's family day.
Are you ready? Wait. Okay. Teka lang is, yan ako muna. Shots, can you help me just be this so heavy, Shots? Or we can help together. Kailangan ko na itong isampay pero sobrang. Oh, God. Sobrang hibigat. Oh.
Papa's more stronger.
Yeah, you're dead. Because he's a man. So, it's super nice weather. Yan, ang hangin pa.
I'm gonna go there.
Ito pala yung view namin sa
Can I
labas.
go there and help you?
You can help. Ito yung internet namin dito.
Oh, can I look there?
Ayun, nakakatakot lang
Wow,
kasi.
this is so much nice. Not cold
Nasa-
at all.
What did you say?
Mommy, I told you it's for babies.
Which one?
They said only for babies.
Maximum 15.
Mommy said only for babies.
Not for baby,
Okay.
only for baby.
Mommy, look. Look. Mommy, look at that wagon. Look. Come.
I see that.
Where's the clothes? The clothes. My kid. So
You can get the t-shirt because it's really heavy. Mabigat po siya kasi mga pulova pa ganito. Tapos
This is
yung...
t-shirt. This t-shirt.
Yes, this t-shirt. Bigat ng mga pullover ni Papi kapag yung tubig hindi pa masyadong natanggal. But you can have that this outside because this is really. Can you go inside first?
Why?
It's really nasty.
That's okay. I already have wear my shoes. Okay? Look. Finished. Look at this water.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ay. Oh, thank you Lord for the nice weather. Nakasampay tayo ng bonggang-bongga dyan. Aalis na tayo. Nagising na si Papi. Natulog siya kanina ng like 10 minutes before tayo umalis. At sobrang nainitan ako kaya nag-change tayo ng damit. Pero may dala naman ako dito na t-shirt. Just in case na lalamig mamaya. Si Arya na una na. Ayan oh.
Was ist Bus, hein?
Bus, komm!
You can do it. Oh, you can do it.
Nein, ich kann das nicht.
You can do it.
No, love me.
Kannst du bremsen hinten, hinten.
Mama, du musst bremsen.
It's so gefährlich, love
Mama, du musst bremsen hier.
Komm, es macht er. Er will die.
Okay, Papa will do it. Okay. Let's try your dad. Ah! Wow!
Papa's nicht. That's almost there. Papa.
Papa! Wow! Super! Dito na tayo sa city at pumasok tayo sa Uniqlo na shop. Kasi si Papi ay mag-shopping ng kanyang mga damit like underwear. Nagustuhan niya dito kasi similar like maganda yung quality. Kaya ini-encourage ko siya na magbili ng para sa kanya, mag-shopping siya, invest in yourself para may motivation siya.
For the baby. Yeah?
What
For
did you
my
say?
baby.
For your baby?
Yeah.
We have no baby na.
Yeah.
No.
No, on Tita's house. So you.
Ah! You want to buy a gift for the baby? Okay. Oh yeah! You want to buy one for the baby? Oh, very thoughtful man si Arya. Uy. She wants to buy a gift for the baby shot. It's okay? Ang baby talaga yung iniisip niya. May I see lang ga? What you got there? What is that? It is for 3 to 4 years old. The baby is still not yet 1 month. So you have to get like...
This one is socks.
Socks. I will look first. Okay? You have to look. I will teach you. Look here. For example... Yeah, this is for... For example, this one, Arya. 3 to 6 months.
It's gonna be fit.
Oh! It fits you.
It fits me.
I think it's for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's for you.
Kitty cat.
Kitty cat. Yeah, it's nice. 12 to 18 months. That's good. Balik tayo sa ating usapan. Yun nga sabi ko kay Papi na mag-invest siya sa kanyang sarili para ma-motivate siya to work hard, to work harder, to do more. Kasi minsan pag wala tayong motivation, kulang tayo ng energy, so nawawalan tayo ng gana. Kaya hindi tayo makaka-work more or kaya hindi tayo maka-gain more money, di ba? Kailangan mo invest. The best investment that you can have is invest first in yourself.
But this is for the baby.
Yan, nakapilit si Arya ng regalo para sa baby. May I see? Can you show us? Oh, nice. Nice shots. Yeah. May I see, Arya? Ooh. Ayan, naka-shopping na si Papi. I hope that he is happy. Wala. May kumakanta na bata dito. Hi, shots. Oh, looks good. Looking good. Gamit ako ng ating scooter ni Arya. Ngayon ay bibili pa tayo ng isa pang sapatos niya. Kasi yung sapatos, maraming sapatos si Papi, pero ang problema kasi, namimili yung paa niya ba. Sa katagalan, na pagsuot is sumasakit daw. Pag-try is okay. Pagbili. Pero sa katagalan na pagsuot, sumasakit. Kaya sa dami ng sapatos niya, ang palagi niyang sinusuot is isa lang. Ang isa, nasuot niya pero nasira naman. So isa lang yung sinusuot niya. I think, how many shoes do you have, Shots? You cannot count. But you are just using one shoes. Because at the long run, it hurts your feet, right? When you use it. And at ang sapatos ay pinaka-importante sa atin. Dapat maganda yung sapatos niyo. Kasi yun yung foundation sa everyday works. Sa pagtrabaho, yun yung foundation niya. Kaya, mag-shopping tayo ng sapatos! After na makapag-shopping ng kanyang papa, ngayon naman ay para kay Arya. Pumasok tayo dito sa toy store para maghanap ng kinetic sand. Kinetic sand and baby. Talagang gusto niyo ng baby. Ayan. Ooh, this is the baby.
Yeah, 5
Gibt's da keine? Muss man direkt so oder wie es geht?
It's give out here that you can bath the baby. Which one you like? Takot mo lang. Or this one lang gaong that you can change. Skip more better.
But breast kinetic sand. Close.
Clothes for the baby.
Which babies? We want no babies now.
Ang dami palang baby dito.
Kinetic sand.
We want no kinetic sand.
No baby?
No baby?
So here's the kinetic sand. Ah yeah, kinetic sand. How did you know about kinetic sand?
YouTube.
Which kinetic sand you like? There's a unicorn.
Okay, then choose.
You can choose one. Which one? There's a lot more here. Yeah, the kinetic sand is
But
here.
not Play-Doh.
Yeah, not Play-Doh. Oh, medyo mahal din pala yung kinetic sand, no?
Which one do I want?
This is ice cream. Look, this is ice cream. It's unicorn. Look, this is nice. Unicorn. And
what is
this is kinetic sand.
You can
This
choose.
one is Shrill Surprise. This one is
Choose.
alternate. You can have also grill and satisfying. This one, Kukma ice cream, unicorn. Which one? Kinetic sand. Nalibog na siya.
Oh,
Naguluhan.
that's too high.
Too high, yeah.
Oh, magic sand.
Naguluhan siya kasi ang daming mapapipilian. It's a magic sand. Is it kinetic sand?
It will be dry if you put it on sauce.
Yeah. The kinetic sand is under.
Okay, zoom your time.
For me, Arya, if you asked me, maybe this or this. Which?
Look at that open.
Oh! Wow! Ayan na, nakabili na si Arya ng kinetic sand!
The business test baby.
Oh! Because she wants a real baby, not a doll. She wants a real baby. And we will visit the baby, right? And this is the gift for the baby. So cute.
Yeah.
Ayan na. Uy, knock nish. You see yes? O the at home.
So was
Yeah. I'm so
Once das alles weg.
Yeah. Better at home, okay? You cannot wait. You're so excited.
Yeah, I cannot wait. I can't wait to play it.
Can you say I cannot wait?
I cannot wait to open my kinetic.
When we are home, okay? We have Indian food. Meron tayong masala, lamb, curry, burrito, spicy. Hindi ko naman hintay si Papi dahil makalalamig yung aking pagkain. Kain tayo. Sarap. When your papa come, spicy pala itong your papa is ang Starbucks. Your papa is ang Starbucks.
What? It's coming.
You want something from here? You want to rice? Oh yeah, you want rice? Yeah, then. Nein, du darfst das nicht. It will scatter here. They're all scattered here. Scattered, like all over. Let's eat, guys. Butin appetit. Appetit. I'm craving for tiramisu pero since wala ang mga shops na pinuntahan ko. Nakita ko may pastel din nata. Kuha tayo niya. May paborito niya. Nakabili na ako. Nahiya ako kay grabe yung lagayan. Ang ganda. Pero tingnan nyo yung laman. Hala! Why she open it?
It's up to you.
So,
New one.
only one. Oh, okay. Hindi talaga maiwasan kasi matagal kasi maghintay. Si Papi is aalis after 1 hour pa. I have something for you. For Arya.
Oh, only for
For Papi.
Thank you.
And another one for Papi.
I got two awesome.
And another one for Arya. Banani. And another one for Papa.
Das ist ein Glückwunsch.
What's that?
Is that
Herzlichen Glückwunsch. Was ist das?
And another one for Arya.
That's for you.
So let's open. Can you open, chats?
My mom's that.
Wait. Kayo take a picture. So,
Lindner Schokolade.
will you marry me? You know that? Isa lang ang laman. We try it. It's my favorite pandinata. It's like see? You have to eat this. This is from Florian's birthday. Remember? Arya, try. In Starbucks is mer lekker.
Was ist das Wort? Edeka?
You don't like it.
Lekker.
No, I don't like
So, wir müssen langsam.
Can you open that?
Weißt du das? Wieso haben die das hier gegeben?
You know?
Hello.
We are home. Ayan, nasa bahay na po
Mommy,
tayo.
what different ice cream do you want?
Uy! Which ice cream? So, ito pala yung tinatawag nila na kinetic sand. Ito pala yung gustong-gustong bilhin ni Arya.
Some vanilla, strawberry, and blueberry. What do you want?
Oh my gosh.
Wait.
Okay, I want mix of vanilla, strawberry, and blueberry.
But not all. You must choose only one. So mix together.
Okay, I will mix strawberry and blueberry.
No, Mama. It's Daphnish.
Gagawan tayo ni Arya ng kanyang strawberry ice cream, kinetic sand version. Habang naggawa siya, ay mag-hold tayo ng ating pinamili kanina.
What do you want for toppings?
Oh, toppings. Okay, can you put some vanilla?
Vanilla? But this is vanilla.
Ah, that's nice. Oh, that's cute. This one, this blueberry and this. What is this?
Apple.
Cherry. It's this apple or cherry?
It's apple.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So.
Some blueberries and some strawberries and some vanilla.
Oh, thank you, Arya.
Your ice cream is finished.
Wow, thank you. Ayan na po yung ice cream natin. Ayan na, mag-haul na po tayo sa shopping ni Papi from Uniqlo. First,
First things first, I'ma say.
First is pinakita natin yung gift ni Arya. Si Arya nagkuha ito at namili. For baby.
Yeah, for my baby.
And then,
For Chloe, baby.
oh, you missed the baby already?
Mommy, why do you not say always Chloe? Why do you
Baby
say-
Chloe, I mean.
Yeah.
We have a dress here for me and for Arya. Oh, twinning.
Yeah.
You have the
It's
same?
not only for Papa, it's also for us.
Yes. So you have here, it's for, maybe for our vacation. So, we will not use it again. We will not use
This
it.
is also for vacation for the baby.
Yes, for the baby. We will not use it this yet dahil medyo malamig pa naman kapag mag-spaghetti. And nakabili si Papi ng underwears. Ayan. Meron siya ditong dry rib tank top. At saka may dalawa pang underwears. And then, uy, ang cute. Ay, ang ganda nito.
You must act like this, Mama.
Ayan. And nakabili siya ng short at dalawang pants. Hindi ko na lang ipakita kasi wala tayong
Oh no.
permission.
Mommy,
Hindi ko
now
na
you
talaga-
make me ice cream, okay?
Maganda naman yung quality niya. So okay lang kahit medyo mahal yung ating nabayaran. Nagbili din tayo ng products para kay Papi. We have here L'Oreal Men Expert. Kompleto na to siya. Meron siyang vitamin C at saka Flüssigkeit. Nagbili din tayo ng toothpaste, another vitamin C for day cream. And
This
then,
is toothpaste for my Papa.
it's for us. As is for my and for Papa.
Hmm?
And then, Mitselen Reinigungswasser. Then, nabili tayo another different kinds of suklay para kay Arya. Especially for Arya. And,
But
naubusan na ako ng,
this one,
yeah, that's all for you or for both of us. We need nice food.
it's for me.
So, yeah.
It's for
And then, we have, naubusan tayo ng coffee. Kaya nabili ako ng coffee. And ano pa bang nabili natin? Yeah, yun lang siya. That's all.
That's all that you need.
So, now we have to fix this.
What?
Ngayon naman ay mag-prepare na rin tayo para sa ating, what should we do now? Medyo busog pa naman tayo. I think hindi natin kailangan mag-dinner kasi 7 p.m. Kumain na kami doon kaya hindi na tayo kailangan pang magawa ng dinner. But we will do brownies later. Yeah? Should we
Mommy,
do
or
brownies?
do you want bananas?
Bananas. Yeah, I can. It smells really good, Arya. What you have there.
My connection.
Yeah. It all smells good. So, ayan lang po. Magawa po tayo mamaya ng brownies kapag si Arya ay maghugas na kamay. If you wash your hands, then we can make brownies. If you not wash your hand, then it's not possible.
Okay. I'll wash my hands after.
Not yet now. You can still play.
Yeah, Mommy. You're correct. Hi, guys. I got connection.
Yeah. Naligo ulit ako para fresh bago matulog. Feel ko kasi napaka-alikabok ko kanina. Pasensya na kayo, medyo maingay kasi naglalaba tayo. Hindi ko alam kung narinig nyo ba o naintindihan nyo ba ako, pero sige lang. Naggamit pala ako ng Pau. Ito ay lip balm kasi alam nyo naman dito is mas marami ang tinglamig kaysa sa ting-init. Eh, alam nyo ba yung tinglamig, mas nakaka-dry ng skin kaysa sa ting-init. Mabuti pa yung ting-init kasi nagsisweat tayo. O diba, sinisingot tayo, nagsisweat tayo, hindi kayo masyadong nagda-dry. Yung tinglamig talaga, grabe. Mag-crack talaga yung lips nyo. Kaya kahit spring na, medyo malamig pa rin, kailangan pa rin natin ng lip balm. May nagtanong at nag-compare sa amin, or sa akin, as a YouTuber. Nagtanong sila kung saan na daw, nasaan na ang... nagtanong sila kung nasaan na daw ang aming YouTube sahod kasi yung iba is yumayaman, naging milyonaryo. It's my own business naman talaga kung nasaan na, kung anong ginawa ko sa ating YouTube sahod, no? Pero to tell you the truth, na yung pag-YouTube natin dito is naka-unmeld din tayo or naka-register tayo sa Finance Amp or dito sa city. So, hindi pwede na hindi tayo magbayad ng tax. Kaya kung sasabihin ko sa inyo, dito sa Germany, alam nyo, napakalaki ng tax natin. Especially na kaming dalawa ni Papi is meron kaming income both. Kumikita kami pareho. Kaya, dito kasi, walang mahirap at saka mayaman. Meron naman, pero hindi naman ganun ka-worst. Kasi yung mga mahihirap dito, tinutulungan ng government. Diyan kinukuha yung pangtulong nila sa tax ng may kaya or may malaki na tax na binabayad. So, kapag ikaw ay malaki ang income dito sa Germany, ang meaning nun ay malaki din ang iyong tax na binabayaran. Para sa akin is fair naman, no? Kasi kawawa din naman yung kulang yung income, especially kapag malaki yung family. Tsaka huwag tayong maging greedy kapag meron tayong good income, ay magbayad tayo ng tax. Ay para din makatulong, no, sa ating kapwa at saka sa ating community at saka sa ating bansa. Kaya sa tatanong kung nasaan na ang income ng YouTube sahod, nasaan na ba? Ginoo ko. Sa totoo lang, ang ating YouTube sahod is para lang din ako nagtrabaho ba na normal na trabaho. Ang nakakagaan lang is, syempre, may time ako sa pamilya. Kasama kong pamilya ko. At saka huwag nyo kami i-compare naman sa iba. Para maliwanagan din kayo, ipapakita ko na sa inyo kung magkano ang YouTube tax. Magbulgara na tayo kung magkano yung tax na binayaran ko last year. Last year lang ito, ha. Isipin nyo naman, yung status namin dalawa ni Papi, pareho kaming foreigner dito. At hindi lang sa pagiging foreigner, kung hindi, kakaumpisa pa lang ng aming pamilya, di ba? Estudyante siya nung nagkakilala kami, tapos nung start tayo ng YouTube, nag-study pa siya, hindi pa siya nakapasa. Nag-study pa siya, hindi pa siya tapos sa pag-aaral. Ngayon pa lang siya nakahunat, kung sa Bisaya pa, karon pa siya kahunat. So, hinahinay lang po tayo, huwag nyo kaming ikumpara sa iba na, syempre, iba, before sila siguro nag-YouTube is maganda na yung status ng buhay nila. Sa Philippines, I don't know, kasi, yun nga, nagko-compare na, bakit yung iba may bahay na. Sa Pilipinas kasi, kapag meron kang 1 million pesos, pwede ka na makabili ng bahay at lupa. Diba? 1 million. Dito, Diyos ko, yung 1 million mo, pagkain mo lang yan. Ang bahay dito, sa totoo lang, hindi bababa sa 300,000 euro or 500,000 euro. Tapos pinaka-million na, mga 20 million na. Hindi na mo babaan na. Pero sige lang, sige na akong ingon sa inyo, palagi kong sinasabi sa inyo na maghintay lang po kayo. Hindi naman tayo hindi naman competition yung buhay. Hindi tayo nakikipag-competition sa ibang tao or sa ibang vlogger ba, yung sinasabi nyo. So, hinay-hinay lang po tayo dahil darating po tayo dyan. May iba-iba kasi tayo ng gusto sa buhay at may iba-ibang klase ng pagiging masaya natin, no? Ito ay hindi naman dapat ipakita, pero sige na lang. Pakita ko na lang po sa inyo, iyan ko na lang yung mga private na details. Pero ito po yung ating binayaran na tax last year. Nagkakahalaga po siya ng 30,868 euro. 30,868 and 49 cent euro. So, 30,000 euro, i-times natin sa, nagkakahalaga po siya sa peso ng 1.852 million last year yung tax na binayaran natin. So, kung itong pera na binayaran natin sa tax, kung nibuild natin ito ng bahay sa Philippines, meron na tayong magandang na bahay. So, kaya wag niyo po kami ikumpara or wag niyo pong isipin na, o kaya wag kayong mag-condemn ba, or ano bang tawag yan, wag kayong sa iba dyan, wag niyo naman kaming singilin. Yun, wag niyo kaming singilin kung nasaan na yung ating sahod sa YouTube. Kasi po, kapag ikaw ay nakatira dito sa Germany, kailangan ka magbayad ng tax. At hindi lang po basta-basta na tax, kundi malaki po ang tax na binabayaran namin dito. Pero okay lang yan, kasi at least nakatulong tayo. At I am so proud as a Filipino na malaki yung naiambag natin sa bansang Germany. Kahit hindi tayo dito lumaki, hindi tayo dito pinanganak, nakaka-proud pa rin as Filipino na tayo ay taxpayer dito. Hindi tayo nanghihingi or hindi tayo, ano bang tawag yan, hindi tayo palamunin ng kanilang bansa. So, I'm so proud of that. Na kahit nakikita nyo na ang buhay namin, ang style ng buhay namin is ganun pa rin. Pero at least nakakapamasyal tayo at nakakain tayo ng gusto natin kainin, yung mga cravings natin. Kung may gusto tayong kainin, makakain natin. Kasi dito po sa Germany is pantay-pantay yung mga tao. Walang mahirap, walang mayaman. Kumbaga, yung mga mayayaman, kung saan sila nag-grocery, Kung saan sila nag-grocery, doon din tayo mag-grocery. Maka-grocery din tayo doon. Kung gusto lang kumain ito, makakain din tayo. Kaya yun yung nagustuhan ko dito. And yun yung nakaka-proud. Nakaka-proud talaga na nagbabayad tayo nakakatulong tayo sa bansa. At syempre sa pinagdaanan na aming pamilya ngayon, kailangan pa namin, nangangapa pa kami ba? Kailangan pa namin maghanap kung saan kami talaga titira. Marami pa tayong dapat na i-consider bago tayo bibili ng bahay. Ang importante para sa akin is we are healthy, na malusog tayo, na makapagtrabaho pa tayo. Hanggang dito na lang po. Maraming salamat po sa pagsubaybay sa aming buhay dito sa Germany. Hindi lang po ako proud sa sarili ko, hindi proud po ako sa inyo kasi mostly naman talaga ang ating viewers o subscribers sa mga Filipino. So meaning, kayo din po ay nakatulong sa ibang tao or kayo din po ay nakatulong sa pagbayad namin ng tax dito sa Germany. Sa Germany. Kaya maraming salamat po and see you again the next vlog. Bye!